Are you tired of manually keeping track of your appointments? Imagine having a system that automatically follows up with your clients, keeps them in the loop, and ensures you never miss a beat. Stick around to find out how to automate your appointment follow-ups and stay on track using GoHighLevel. In the left-hand menu, navigate to the Automation section. Click on the Workflows tab and then hit Create New Workflow. You can either start from scratch or use a pre-built template. For appointment follow-ups, starting from scratch, click Add New Trigger and choose Appointment Status. Under Trigger Options, select Appointment Status Is as the trigger event. Click Add Action, select Send Email or Send SMS. Create a confirmation email or SMS with the appointment details. Add another action by selecting Wait. Choose a time delay. After the wait step, add another Send Email or Send SMS action to remind the customer about their upcoming appointment. Add a Wait action for a time delay. After the wait step, add a follow-up Send Email or Send SMS to thank the customer and ask for feedback. Add another trigger for Appointment Status, No Show. Before activating, test the workflow with your email or phone. Once you are satisfied with the automation flow, toggle the Save button to enable the workflow. By following these steps, you can ensure that your appointment follow-ups are consistent, timely, and effective, keeping you on track with your appointments and improving client communication. Ready to automate your appointment management? Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel today and take control of your scheduling. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for the best start. Links are in the video description. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips. Thanks for watching.